Yeah, let's have some fun. I have always wanted to use this iron. Yeah, that's a 5 bead iron. This is gonna be fun. And here's the test board. So let's see if we can duplicate that. It was around this point that I realized I forgot to turn the camera on because I was having too much fun. This is actually really kind of enjoyable to put together. Yeah, I'll take it. So there you have it. I got this picture a while ago. It's from another YouTube channel called Astro Biscuit. I love his stuff. I do astrophotography as a bit of a hobby, and this is a lot of fun. And I wanted to do something a little simple, and I really wanted to use that 5-bead cutter. So I was really kind of experimenting and playing around with things. It's one of the things I love about making frames. You can make these relatively quickly. Most people can do it in an evening or a weekend project, and you've got something that's very special that no one else has. And this one is very simple with just these outside chamfers and the 5-bead. I just really like how it came out, and it just, yeah, so I'm looking forward to having this on my wall for a long time to come. I actually do have quite a few other pictures that I need to frame up, and so I might have a few other frame ideas come out. So if you want to see something on that, I'm going to do some more with some interesting molding and maybe some crown molding shapes on there, maybe even some carving. If you have any ideas or things you'd like to see me do, let me know. I'll maybe put those out in the future. And anytime you do, let me know that down below in the comments. It helps out the channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, everyone says it, and you know what it means. It really does help us out, and thank you. But if you really want to help us out, you may notice that there were no ads running in this video, and that's because I am not sponsored. I don't want to be sponsored. I want you guys to be the ones that sponsor me. Okay, maybe I am actually sponsored, but I'm sponsored by you guys. You, the viewers, are the ones that pay for all of this to happen. Thank you for that. Between patrons, members, hitting the thank you button down there, you guys fund all of this, and it really means a lot. And I love having the chance to try different things and not have to do what some company wants me to do. I get to play with an old tool from over 100 years ago because no company is going to pay for me to do that. So if you want to help out with that, think about becoming a patron or a member. Links down below, you know all that. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. No, I'm not going to do the joke about being framed. But now that this project is done, you can say you saw the frame. And here we framed the saw.